Best small portable air conditioner. List number 6. DELLA 8000 BTU portable air conditioner cooling 4 rooms. Price $229.97. 4.4 stars reviews, out of 5 stars. Eight customer reviews. List number 5. Midea portable air conditioner with dehumidifier 12,000 BTU. Price $161.35. 3.3 stars reviews, out of 5 stars. (31 customer reviews). List number 4. TAC Life PCD06B20V Maximum Lithium Ion 3/8 inches cordless drill. Price $228. 3.9 stars reviews, out of 5 stars. (107 customer reviews). List number 3. 20V cordless drill, power drill set. Price $226.55. 4.3 stars reviews, out of 5 stars. (111 customer reviews). List number 2. Makita CX200RB18VLXG Lithium Ion Subcompact Brushless Cordless. Price $266.72. 4.1 stars reviews, out of 5 stars. (282 customer reviews). List number 1. High-spec 18V Pro Combo Cordless Drill Driver. Price $249.90. 3.5 stars reviews, out of 5 stars. 694 customer reviews. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.
Thanks for watching.